Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So guys, it's winter season now and I've been using a few products. I've changed my cream and my moisturizer because it's winter now. And these products that I've been using are from Bryan and Candy. And they were very kind enough to send me their products. I've tried it and I've loved it. They smell so good. They are amazing. Let's take you through and then I'll tell you the first product that I've been using. So let's start. So the first thing is, of course, I shampoo my hair, and for that I've been using Bryan and Candy, and this is their Spa Essence Blackcurrant and French Vanilla Revitalizing shampoo, which is amazing. It smells so good. Smells amazing, just gives you that spa wala feeling. And guess what, it's paraben free. So it comes in a box like this. This is the Bryan and Candy Spa Essence Aromatherapy Blackcurrant and French Vanilla. Smells great, guys. So this has like a body cream, it also has a body cleanser, then it also has the shampoo. So this is the box, very fancy. And the ingredients are amazing, smells great, paraben free. What else do you want in a box like this? So moving on to my second product. So guys, my second product is the body scrub, and this is again by Bryan and Candy, and this is the Cocoa Shea Sugar Body Scrub. So this looks like this. The consistency is very thick, so what I do is I take a little bit of product, okay, and then I add water, okay, make it into like a nice thick paste. This is really thick, okay. So after you've done that, just scrub your body with this. It'll remove all your dead skin. This smells amazing and the ingredients are really good. It has olive oil, it has oatmeal, argan oil, no sulfate, no paraben again. So this is my second product that I use. Scrubbing is very important. So guys, the packaging of this box is amazing. It comes in this fancy box. So this is the Bryan and Candy Cocoa Shea Bath and Body Essentials. Looks fancy, and there's more. So this is so luxurious and it comes in like this bathtub sort of a thing, which is so cute, and it has like a body shower, then there is body polish, then there is body lotion, and also this cute loofah. So this is amazing. So after scrubbing and everything, the next thing is of course shower gel, and this is the strawberry flavor from again Bryan and Candy, and it smells amazing, okay, it smells great. So this is the strawberry one. I have a few more here. This box looks so fancy, right? So it has orange and mandarin, cocoa shea, Japanese matcha green tea. I'm yet to try this, but I'm sure it smells amazing too. So once I've done that, of course, I need to moisturize my skin, and this is the body lotion that I've been using. Bryan and Candy Strawberry again, because I love that fruity flavor, fruity smell. So this is their handle body lotion. It has shea butter, hyaluronic acid. You've heard about this. Hyaluronic acid is like really important, very good for your skin. This I'm going to show you. So I just take a little bit of this. It's really hydrating, very moisturizing. So okay, just apply it all over your hands and legs. It smells amazing, okay, and the smell stays for a really long time. So it's really good. So of course, after you showered, you apply your body lotion, and then you need a body mist, right? So I use this by Bryan and Candy. It's their Naughty Berries body mist. It comes in this box. So this has wild salsa and nutty berries. Okay, the smell stays for a really long time. It smells amazing. So I'll tell you more about this body mist. The top note is like rose, apple, white flower, peach, and middle note is like, you know, red fruits, lemon, etc. For the wild salsa, it's more like a pear, orange, you know, the top note, lemon, and then it has the middle note is like, you know, lotus flower, lily of the valleys type, and the base note is more like amber, sandal, aqua notes. Okay, I think I went like too deep with the fragrance, but anyway, just to cut it short, smells amazing, very fruity. If you like something which is fruity, this is great. Another thing is, guys, this is so good. They were sweet enough to like send me their products. Thank you so much, Bryan and Candy. I love their products. Loved everything. Not like there's not even one thing that, you know, I didn't like at all. They smell good. They're paraben free. And the packaging is so amazing. So it's also good if you want to like gift it to someone, and the packaging is so good, you know, I'm sure they'll love it. So I'll put the, you know, links down below from where you can get this. All the products, I've put it down, so go and check it out and get yourselves these amazing products by Bryan and Candy. And if you have any more questions, anything you want to ask me, please ask me in the comment section below. And you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official. And if there's anything, do let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.